Welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming session number 71, abstract class fundamental. If you are serious about learning, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notification option. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about what is the abstract method. So these are the essentials for to implement the uh, abstraction. So what are the ways you can achieve this abstraction? So through abstract class and interface. Now we'll discuss what is by abstract class because we already discussed about abstract method. So now it's easy to understand what that abstract class. So abstract class means you are declaring the class is the abstract keyword first of all. What that abstract class can have means, or it contain abstract method and non-abstract methods, or we can call it as a concrete methods. We'll discuss here itself what is by concrete method and all. So third one, variables. So these three parts will be present in that abstract class. So first of all, you should understand clearly what is by abstract class. So a class declared using that abstract keyword is called as an abstract class. What it can have: abstract methods, non-abstract method, or another name is concrete method, variables. So these three things will present in that abstract class. Next, there will be a question, interview question. Can variables be abstract? No. Abstract keyword is not applicable to variables. You can use it for class and then methods. So now we'll discuss about what is that concrete method, concrete class. Because many of the beginners are confused while they're learning. I'm having a simple example, just try to understand. Concrete method means a method that has complete implementation. That is, you already defined with that curly brace, complete body we having. Java already knows how the work is done because you already completed. General meaning of what is in the concrete is solid one. Am I right? Same thing. Yeah, here programming also a concrete method means a method that has already complete implementation. Java already knows how the work is done. See here, what's the abstract class name? User. So why are you calling this class as abstract means you're using the keyword abstract. Why we should use this class as abstract? Because we're having the method. What is that? Abstract. So abstract method means we already discussed. So you should use the abstract keyword before this return type. There is no implementation. There is no implementation. We are not using any curly brace and defining it. If you are using the in any unique class, if you are using one abstract method, then automatically our class should be the abstract one. We already discussed rules and regulation. One method is even one method, one abstract method is present. The class should be abstract one. That is why we are using the class as abstract now. Next, what is my concrete method? We are having the implementation part. So this method is called as a concrete method. What I'll tell you, a method that has already okay, a method that already has complete implementation. Here, display message I have the method definition. This is called as a concrete method. Okay, or we can call as a non-abstract method. Abstract method means only the declaration is present, there is no definition. This is called as abstract method. This is called as a non-abstract method or concrete method. Why we are telling as in, because method exists, method bodies exist, the definition is available, logic is written, child class can directly use it. In case if you like to call this method, you can use it or override it the child class if you are going for that inheritance concept. Okay. Next, what is an abstract method? Abstract void. Okay, here there is no definition, no body, no logic. It only says someone must implement this later because we are declaring the method. Okay, we'll discuss these things. What is the advantage of declaring like this? What is the benefit in the forthcoming session? Okay, now just try to understand. No body, no logic. Someone must implement this later. Okay, what is a concrete class? This is the next dot. I'm right. So concrete method. Now you, I hope you are clear with this. Concrete class, concrete method means a solid definition is available, method definition available. Same thing here, concrete class means here we are already having the implementation for all the methods. Here, insert card, enter pin, withdraw cash, this is called as a concrete class, a class that provides complete implementation of all the methods and can create objects here. So why SBM ATM class is a concrete class means, why SBM ATM is called as a concrete class means not declared abstract. You are not declaring as abstract because abstract means only declaration is present. Here there is no abstract, and all methods have the body. Object can be created like this: SBI item, object reference variable equal to new SBI ATM. As usual, you are creating the object here. Object reference variable is ATM. So this is what concrete class definition: a class that provides complete implementation or complete definition and can create objects. Concrete method means a method of the implementation. That's complete implementation. Java know what it does. So the quick comparison: abstract method as body? No. Important three questions this and all. Whether you can able to create the object? No. Example, I was using the keyword abstract void method. Got it. So why object creation is not possible? These things we'll discuss in the forthcoming session. Okay, these are the important three questions. Concrete method means it has method body. Object creation is not possible here. Next example, display method. Okay, here it is not required, not possible here after instead of that. Okay, it has method body. Yes, object creation abstract method. It's not possible to create it. Here a concrete method means we can call the method through the abstract keyword. Sorry, that is about object through the object. Example, ATM dot display. We can use it. ATM dot display or ATM card insert card. ATM dot enter pin. ATM dot withdraw cash. You can use it. Okay. So next abstract class as body partially. Why you are telling is a partially means here in our previous example, this abstract class, here there is no definition, but in this concrete cat we have the method definition. Am I right? So we already know. See here, method. What is that abstract class? Abstract method. Back to that existing ones here. Abstract methods, non-abstract methods, concrete methods, and also variables. So this is the reason we are telling it as a, what is this? Yes, abstract class body partial one. Okay, abstract class is body partial and no object creation. So abstract class example, abstract class user. Concrete class means yes, see here. Concrete class. Yes, complete body is available for that implementation. Object creation is possible. Yes. You have confused the word. See here. Method at that time it is not possible to create the object. It is not required. Am I right? Why you are calling a method void insert card or dot something? This method is invoked by the object. What I already told you, ATM dot insert card, ATM dot enter pin, ATM dot withdraw cash. That is possible. So don't confuse the word. Concrete method in the sense we are speaking about the method, not the class. So using the concrete class, okay. Now we can create the object creation. See here, SBI. This is the concrete class. I'm right. SBI ADM is the concrete class. We can create the object for that. That's why you're telling your object creation is concrete method is not required because this method is invoked by this concrete class itself. Concrete class object itself. Okay. Example class SBI ATM using. Okay. So concrete class name is here SBI ATM. So ATM through that object reference, what is that? ATM. So ATM dot I can access the concrete method. ATM dot void insert card. That is ATM dot enter pin. ATM dot withdraw cash. I can able to call it normal object communication with the method. Okay. So user here abstract class rules defined. Okay. What all the methods you are declaring you have to implement in the future. So there is a rules here. Abstract class is a user display message is a ready-made bigger concrete method. SBA item is the real working machine concrete class. You'll have the implementation method. So here it is the implementation. Your user is the abstract class rules and declaration. See here. So we are declaring the names and then abstract method. So this method in future they have to implement it. Here you can't be able to define it. If you're declaring here, in future you have to implement it. I hope this explanation is clear to you. If you found this session useful, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.